Program 2 in Unit 4 is one that will produce word scramble puzzles. We'll take this program step by step. The first step is to produce a function that will look through a file and return a list of all the words used in that file. We'll start by writing code and then, after it works, incorporate it into a function. Let's start the list of words empty. Then we'll use our usual approach, opening up a connection to a file, going through the file line by line, and in each line picking out the individual words. To get the words, we'll use our cleaned up function. This takes a line of the file, gets rid of the punctuation and other extraneous characters, and turns capital letters to lowercase. Then we'll use the built-in split function to break the line into words using spaces as delimiters. Finally, when we have a word, we'd like to add it to the list called words that we're building up if the current word is not part of the list already. That is, if word is not in the list called words, add it in. To add it, we use the append function. At the end, we have a complete list of the words. Let's check by printing them. We save the program, run it, and we have to wait quite a long time because Python needs to read the file, go one by one through the words, and check each one of them against a long list of words it already has. After a time, though, we do get back the list we want. Now let's modify this so that it's used inside a function that, instead of printing the words, returns them. Here's a handy hint. If we select text, we can indent it automatically using Format, Indent Region. So let's take all of what we've written and make it part of a function called wordList. This compiles the list of words using the code we've already written and returns it. Following the idea given in the unit, we'll make this function slightly more useful by allowing it to work on files other than this particular one. We'll pass in the name of the file and then use the name that has been passed in, the string, as the name of the file. Here's the test. We'll let words be the list returned by the function wordList when we ask it to look in the file containing Pride and Prejudice. Then we'll print this list. This should give us the same output as before. Let's check. We wait for the list to be compiled, and get back the same answer as before. Our function is correct, and we're ready to go on to step 2.